education sector, the sector is huge, wide, broad, with immense opportunities for various different types of players. ICT is of course one sub-segment. It is not a big expense item for the education institutions. However, ICT is becoming significant. And as I also shared in the presentation, what is important is the ability to not just digitize content, but the ability to make content suitable or adapted for an environment that can be used for by students for various device formats. For example, if it is whether it is mobile, or tablet, or PC, whether it is single point or a distributed network, whether it is a learning system being used by just the student and teacher, or with by a variety of stakeholders, including parents, school staff, and the society at large. So all those things put together, ICT is changing, but as I said, it is currently small and likely to grow, hopefully 10x in the next 6 to 7 years. So that's about. Unfortunately, the current impact that ICT has done, and I'm just trying to refer to my earlier comment, is the impact is very little. From the standpoint of what ICT can do, it is largely limited to big cities, big towns where there is connectivity, where there is device, etc. And we must not forget that education is in a falls in a very different category, where only the lowest common denominator technologies are able to work well. So for example, if as I said, if you have some technology in which 80% of the students have access device and 20% don't, then the technology will not succeed. So access and penetration at lowest common denominator are the decisive factors for any ICT intervention to work, whether it is schools, higher education, or otherwise. This has been quite good. I loved the fact that you had representation from large companies like HP, Microsoft, and also certain other companies like Amtrak, etc. Coupled with the fact that I could see certain academic people from academic institutions coming in, especially in the audience. So that was good, and also very surprising, but representation from Department of Telecommunication, Ministry of HRD. So that has been quite good from the standpoint of more and more diverse representation. However, two things I would have loved to see more. One is more representation of academia. So in future, so when you plan for your 4th summit. The second is representation from student bodies.
Okay, you want student contribution in this panel?
Yeah, so at least not just panel discussion, but also in the audience. Yeah, because we are all trying to deliberate and think upon things which are important for students, right? That's students are at the center of all the learning systems. If the student representation is not there, then somehow the picture does not get complete. So I feel a more healthy and diverse audience with more academic representation as well as student representation. So government and corporate was quite satisfied.